Yeah. Freestyle off the top of the dome. Yeah. 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 These niggas on TV try to brainwash me with the Trump prophecy, saying he was God's chosen, spoken to the spoken few. All I see is a fueled up a fire. Ain't no turning back when they build this wall. Tear-gassing Mexicans, turning them other side of the wall, just to bring them back like casualties of war. In this warfare, in the date for humanity, dealing with this insanity, cussing at the president like fuck you with this profanity. Can't get it and can't get it lost and don't get it twisted. I come at your bitch double fisted. You ask who is this? Who done did this? Who done plant this fucking bomb like the Unabomber? Come around, cause karma comes around and shut you down. I throw down cause I'm underground. They can't touch me. Can't lay the creepy fingers on me. Can't microchip me and make me another program. Manchurian Canyon, part of the system. Never a victim. I see how they do it, yeah. So fucking slick and wicked the way they choose to pick my people out just to bring them in. I ain't living in that whirlwind. Dip out and keep my mind out the box and never be a slave, cause they ain't got nothing on this hip hop.
Going beast mode with the cheat code, going like I'm Filippo. Why are we not in the streets with that Puerto Rican? I got that shit on the skillet, bugging up like a steak on the plate. Going hesitant, never hesitate when I'm on the track, cause that's Nas going. Make sure I hit my fucking God, he's always on my side, and the fucking angels, don't respect your fucking shit, cause I'm from my own set, it's my only state of mind. I go on the transform like I'm up for time, you want me fucking going with the flow, I'm going like I'm so mellow, and still up like acapella, going like a cool ass fellow, I feel out yellow, I'm really crazy, cause I be thinking some other fucking shit, I be going on and talking about the government, and these people looking at me like I'm someone else. Nah, this fucking shit is like a fucking alien. Yeah, I'm feeling like I'm talking about some other fucking Buddha shit, some fucking spirit national sci-fi shit. There's some shit you never seen before, another galaxy in another land. When I'm hallucinating, tripping with this earth, this whole universe is talking to me in symbonology, symbols going with the ribby shit, going with the ribby shit. Saying shit that's rhyming together, making my own words, making my own shit, cause niggas don't understand me when I'm going like, R&B, that fucking gorilla, going like I'm going with the fucking sticker, liquor, picker, going with the figure, yeah, you know, I put my finger right on the trigger, bust back to your brain, I'm really insane, my red, yeah, my fucking black, you ain't seen this shit, I never fucking stack, cause I'm trying to hustle to it, I'm never lack, I'm never whack, I'm going with the fucking spike back, right to your fucking back.